In 1868, Japan underwent a radical transformation known as the Meiji Restoration. Discontent with centuries of feudal rule under the Tokugawa shogunate, young leaders sought to modernize their country. They overthrew the shogun and restored power to Emperor Meiji, initiating sweeping reforms. This era saw rapid industrialization, where railroads and telegraphs emerged alongside a new education system modeled after Western ideals. The samurai class was abolished, leading to significant social changes. By embracing Western technology while preserving cultural identity, Japan became a formidable global power by the early 20th century, an extraordinary leap that reshaped its destiny and influenced international relations.